Okay friends, we're back out here with the gate opener. Ordered some parts and they came in, so I installed those. Last time we were playing with these manual settings here. Today we're going to be doing the remote. So I've got the pin set in the proper position. The dip switch is set to the code that's in that box outside. So let's go out to the keypad. I've already I got parts in for him. This is the master reset back here. You hold this button down while you're plugging the battery in. It clears the memory. Then you come in and you set the dip switches. Okay. And then you reset him. And now you got two codes. You got a master and a gate opener. It's green, and as you can see, the gate is opening now. Okay, this sensor will get to here, telling the unit, the motherboard, it's open. It'll go through a countdown. Okay, 8 seconds. That'll let you drive through the gate. And there it is closing. Now when this unit gets down to this sensor, it will tell this circuit card that the gate is in the closed position. And if the gate opens the wrong direction, you just swap these two leads here. If it closes when it should be opening, or opening when it should be closing, you just swap those two leads. And that's it. This keypad will hold 1,000 different codes. And it's all locked up nice and pretty. So we'll do it one more time. There it goes again. So we're all done. Now it's up to the owners whether they want this particular module here to make it Bluetooth or internet accessible. And we'll call it a day. A happy day. Alright, talk to you guys later.